The aluminum corner trim. Got it all the way to the front, across the back, down the other side, same thing. This is actually stair tread corner material. Cheap, Home Depot. It's got one rounded side, one flat side, but works good for this. Getting the aluminum corner trim on at a bunch of spots. Mary helped me get 2 sheets of aluminum up here on the roof, got it all screwed down. So, have to finish the front yet. Never seems like enough, but we're getting stuff done. Just a little warning for those who haven't ever used this material and maybe will. Plastic film that protects it. It's made with wet dogs. Yes, that's right. Stuff stinks. Starting to get a couple windows in. Got a couple of seats out of a junkyard Chevy Blazer, and they need some cleaning up. I need some kind of industrial foaming upholstery cleaner with nuclear capability, but no, they're not terrible, but they certainly need some cleaning. Bunk trim. Door trim and the hinge. We went camping this past weekend out of the bed of my Dodge pickup truck. We just needed to get out and get away from it all for a little bit. And we tried an area that was close to where we normally go, a couple miles away. And it was a little bit easier to get to, and because it was easier to get to, everybody was there. So many inconsiderate people. They just making noise all through the night and driving the dogs crazy, and it just wasn't a good scene. I got some sleep, Mary didn't get a whole lot of sleep, and it just gave us more ambition to get on this thing, get this thing absolutely bare bones, dried in on the outside so we can run this junk down the road and be able to start using it. Do all the details, finish stuff up after that. You know, it's just come down to what do we need, and the rest can just wait. Anyway, you know, ambition, wherever it comes from, it's a blessing.